Hey everybody, it's Neil. I want to show you what I have here. It's hard to show a little bit, but this is the box and this is the item. And we're going to put it here in our bathroom. I just put it on the counter to start with. And I'll explain what it is here in a second. Let me take this off. Okay, so this is it here. Yeah, I am up on there. Okay. I mean, it's going to need me to instead of the legs. But you can see this is it here. It is a towel warmer. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up and then I'll show you because I need both hands. Okay, setting it up was as simple as screwing on 4 legs and plugging it in. I mean, that's it. And then to turn it on, all you need to do is push the button here and it'll see, it talks because it also has a Bluetooth speaker.
Bluetooth startup.
See, Bluetooth startup. So you can play music. So you can have this in your bathroom. You'll be able to play the music nice and good. And because it's a nice big tub, it really resonates good and sounds good. Sounds good. And you can set the time for the heating. So like right now, it's set for 30 minutes. I could set it for 45 or 60 or less. So you can just set it up when you wake up and you get up, you start it, then you go brush your teeth, get ready, blah, 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 take your shower. And then by the time you're done with your shower, it's nice and warm in there. I think it says it heats up to about 140 degrees, which is nice and hot. And it's as simple as putting your towels inside of the device here, and ooh, that's already warm. I can already feel it. So this is going to be great, especially as it gets to be the winter times like that. You just throw your one towel in there. That's the way we'll do it. So we'll just put our one towel in and it'll be warm by the time you get out of the shower. So it'll be good just as you take your shower. So you can pick and choose how you want to do it yourself. You can just set it up earlier or whatever, stick a couple towels in. I mean, it's got a huge cavity in there. My towel is, I have a sand cloud towel, so it's fairly thin and it will just sink down in there. You can't even see it, it's so far down. But these are cool. Very nice little apparatus here for sure. And then, oh, that's hot in there. But yeah, it's going to warm it up and it'll warm it up nice and quick. So in a few minutes, 5 minutes, you'll have a nice warm towel and ready to use. So super easy and very cool. Looks cool too. Looks like a little spaceship kind of thing going on here. Thumbs up, really nice.